Purple cow. Purple cow. Wow! You made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Hear a cow sound. Purple cow. Yellow duck. A cow duck. You put a cow in front. You put a duck behind. Put them together and what do you find? A cow duck. That's silly.
Pen.
You put in front, you put behind. Put them together and what do you find? You put in front, you put behind. Put them together and what do you find? A horse, a cow, a sheep, a duck, a pig. Hear a horse, hear a cow, hear a sheep, hear a duck, hear a pig. A horse duck, a horse pig, a horse sheep, a horse cow, a duck horse, a duck pig, a duck sheep, a duck cow, a cow horse, a cow pig, a cow sheep, a cow duck, a sheep horse, a sheep pig, a sheep duck, a sheep cow, a pig horse, a pig duck, a pig cow, a pig sheep. Wow! You made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Sound. Purple cow, pink pig, yellow duck, blue sheep, orange horse. That's silly. What's that? Did you know? I've never heard of that before. It's a funny farm. Sheep have curly wool. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Pigs like to play in the mud to stay cool. A baby pig is called a piglet. Ducks have webbed feet for swimming. A baby duck is called a duckling. Cows make milk. A baby cow is called a calf. Horses wear shoes. Horseshoes. A baby horse is called a foal. Hi, I'm Farmer Tad. Listen to my banjo.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.